Hi, Ayana. It's Ayana, and um, I wanted to ask you some questions. Now, what is the most important thing to you right now? Like, yeah, who is the person in your life who has a big influence? What do you think the meaning of life is? Do you have a boyfriend? And if you do, what does he look like? What college are you planning to go to? And what are your grades looking like? Because mine are actually pretty good. How many seniors are graduating? And who got held back? Because by freshman year, there's some people that I think are going to get held back. Um, um, are you still crazy? Do you still act like you need some help? Just wanted to know. Um, so yeah, bye.